Ever wished you could build communication superpowers directly into your apps? Today, we're diving into Twilio, the ultimate communication API, unlocking effortless SMS, voice, and real-time connection possibilities. First things first, head over to Twilio.com and create a free account. You'll need to verify your email and phone number. This unlocks trial credits, letting you experiment with Twilio's features without immediate costs. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Twilio Console. This is your command center. Grab your account SID and auth token. These are crucial credentials for authenticating your applications. Keep these safe, like a digital secret handshake. Next, you'll need a Twilio phone number. Navigate to the phone numbers section and purchase a number. This number will act as your application's identity. When sending SMS or making calls, choose a number with capabilities you want to leverage, like SMS or voice. Now comes the fun part: coding. Twilio offers libraries for various programming languages, like Python, JavaScript, and PHP. Follow Twilio's quick start guides for your chosen language to install the necessary library. With the library installed, copy the code snippets from Twilio's documentation into your code editor. Replace the placeholder values with your account SID, auth token, your Twilio phone number, and the recipient's phone number. It's like filling in the blanks to unlock the power of communication. Run your code, and voila! You've just sent an SMS or made a voice call using Twilio. That's the core of it. From here, explore Twilio's extensive documentation to implement more advanced features, like two-factor authentication, interactive voice menus, and even video conferencing. The possibilities are endless.